have taken responsibility of the children to know more about their sponsors and sponsors to know more about their children.
La 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 Chandanalay, 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 Rama Chandanalay, 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 Rama Chandanalay. Repalle vadalaku Krishnamurti, nuvela kanaga vachinavu Krishnamurti. Repalle vadalaku Krishnamurti, nuvela kanaga vachinavu Krishnamurti. Repalle vadalaku chinnarana, nenu pala kanaga vachinanu chinnarana. Repalle vadalaku chinnarana, nenu pala kanaga vachinanu chinnarana. Chandanalay, 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 Rama Chandanalay, 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 Rama Chandanalay. Arataka vachavu Krishnamurti, nanu aata patinchavoy Krishnamurti. Ranaite vachavu Krishnamurti, nanu aata patinchavoy Krishnamurti. Aata patistanu chesukovalu.
Today we are welcoming our Vasu Gabriel Anya here from Anya has been to Australia. Anya means brother to all of us. Anya came from Australia and he met all of our friends, and then mainly he went to study computers, how the computers works, how the information about New Hope we can put it back in, tell the people in the world through internet. And then Anya came and then met all the friends there. Okay, na? So for that we are Vasanya traveled to Friends of New Hope in Tasmania, and he stayed with Pastor Pete. Pete uncle వచ్చారు కదా, గిటార్ వేశారు. ఓకే, గిటార్ వేశారు, మనందరం గిటార్ ఇచ్చారు, గుర్తుందా మీకు? సో అంకుల్తో ఉన్నారు, పీట్ అంకుల్తో ఉన్నారు, పాస్టర్ పీట్. తర్వాత ఏంటంటే ఆంటీ వచ్చారు, కేజ్ ఆంటీ, అప్పుడు ఇండియన్ డ్రెస్ వేసుకుని. ఓకే, and did you Vasu అని అడుగుతాను, did you thank on behalf of us Pete, Pastor Pete uncle and also K's sister? Yeah,
I thank most of the big thing, and I have explained how we are living together in the community center. They have seen it, the slideshows. They were so happy that how we are living together.
Absolutely. And also you remember all of our friends, they visited lot of groups to us. Last time came kada, andaru vacharu kada, aunty వాళ్ళు అంకుల్ చాలా మంది వచ్చారు కదా, అందరూ ఎస్ ఆస్ట్రేలియన్ చేస్తారు అందరూ మనం డ్యాన్స్ వేసి అన్నీ చేసాం కదా. సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ కెన్ రిమెంబర్ యూ